This one's especially for younger families with 2 to 3 kids all around the same age group. You're looking for a car that can fit everyone comfortably and has some room so that when your kids grow up, they can still fit in the car comfortably. But you're just not sure what car to buy. One car I would consider getting is the Hyundai Tucson. It has a lot of space, it has a great engine, and it has some extra features which not only you but your children will also like as well. Let's take a look. I should have said this more explicitly, but the Hyundai Tucson is more than your average SUV. This Hyundai Tucson has only 33,150 kilometers and is an accident-free, local BC car. It has a 2.0-liter engine meant to be efficient on gas, and check it out. This Tucson has an all-wheel drive system to get you where you need to go. And you'll be astounded by the amount of cargo space you have to play with. Perfect for long trips across the country. Now the Hyundai Tucson's interior is very spacious. I have a lot of headroom for myself, and my legs aren't cramped either. I even have enough space to stretch my legs out a little under the seat too. Check out this full sunroof. Now you can look at the stars or even the northern lights, depending on where you're traveling. And you'll stay comfortable with all leather seating. Your front cabin has all the important stuff: Bluetooth, call answering, easy to use climate controls, and infotainment system, and a rear camera. And I didn't find this out until later, but it's a touchscreen infotainment, which means more intuitivity. The Tucson's great space, excellent engine, and features like the full sunroof make it a prime quality vehicle for young families. You'll find road trips really fun, and imagine driving from coast to coast. At night, you see the stars up above in the prairies. It's a spectacular sight that you should try and get a glimpse at if you have the chance. Those are some of the reasons why the Hyundai Tucson is a great car. But get this, it has just under 33,000 kilometers too. And it's an accident-free local BC car, which means in terms of lifespan and quality, both are excellent. Now the only thing that's left is for you to try the car and see if you like it. Come down to Sicky Bath Motors and take this Hyundai Tucson for a test drive. Call us today at 604-580-1000 to book an appointment now. Or you can look at our inventory online at sickybathmotors.com. Now I'm going to park this Tucson on a nice hill and just wait for sunset to see the stars. Until next time, this has been your Sicky Bath Motors auto review. I'll catch you around in the next video.